Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete data on the Noji application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. New, if you want to delete the data, just go to the settings icon at the lower right corner of the home screen, at the lower bar, and here you can find the others section, and you can find the last button, the delete data. Just click that, and this will permanently delete your data. Are you sure you want to continue? If you want to delete, click the delete button. If you cancel, click the cancel. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.